Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Ozuna here with Pienso, and this is a language I cannot handle, but anyway, a great song, and I thought I could give you the way of playing the song. So this is what I'm gonna do. It's one chord progression with one type of strumming through entire song. So it's great and easy. So let's start this one up with the capo here on the second fret. And with that, we have a couple chords to go over. So let's start in the way they come. So the first chord will be the A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. That's the A minor. And next chord will be the G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have F next. So that's a bar here. Use your index finger and you bar the first fret here, all strings. And the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. Fourth chord here will be the C, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the fifth and final chord will be an E minor 7 here, but with the B in the bass. So that will be just this one here, the second fret on A string, and then the rest will be open. So open D, open G, open B, and open E. And that's the order of the chords here: A minor to G to F to C and to E minor / B. So with that, we're gonna look at the strumming pattern, and yeah, we need to divide this into two parts. Very simple, but anyway, because the last two chords will split in the strumming pattern. So let's look at the full strumming pattern with the first chord, the A minor. So one round will be down, up, clap, down. Okay, so that is one round. So down, up, clap, down. A couple of rounds of this will be So the first part will be down, up, clap. So very simple. And the second part will be what's left, just a down. So we do the split there between the down, up, clap and the last down there. Okay, so with that we can go into how to handle the chords. So the chord progression was A minor, 2 strumming rounds of that. Then G, 2 rounds, F, 2 rounds, and the last 2 chords, this is where the split goes. For the C, you're gonna play 1 full strumming round plus part 1. So for C, you're gonna play down, up, clap, down, up, clap. And then you quickly change to the E minor / B chord and play just 1 down. You just land on that down, and then you have fulfilled 1 chord progression, and you quickly go round again to the first chord, the A minor, and start all over again. So slowly it will be like this: A minor 2, G2, F2, C 1/2, and E minor. And then you start all over again. So a couple of rounds of this will sound Pienso, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Pretty easy to play and learn, so give it a try and good luck. Until next time, play tuned.